Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the recording and stating the research goal aloud. This anchors decisions later. Once the file loads, pick a tool, automatic speech recognition for speed or manual for accuracy, because your choice sets time versus quality trade-offs. Next, create the metadata template, speaker ID, timestamps, and context fields. Make sure to name files consistently and note audio quality issues up front. These first steps reduce rework, and they let you start transcribing immediately with clarity and purpose. Now you move into the detailed execution. Run the audio at 1, 5x, and use a 0. 5-second rewind hotkey to keep pace without losing accuracy. As you capture speech, add speaker labels and insert sentence breaks so later analysis is simpler. When a word is unclear, mark it with a timestamp and hash to flag for review. This prevents slowing the main pass. Once done, perform a focused second pass on flagged spots. This balances throughput with the accuracy your research needs. Finish by standardizing formatting. Normalize speaker tags, expand acronyms, and run spell check so your dataset is analysis ready. Then export in the format your project needs, whether TXT for coding, CSV for spreadsheets, or time-aligned JSON for qualitative software. Before you close, perform one QA pass sampling several minutes across the file to catch systematic errors. If audio is low or ASR fails, apply noise reduction and rerun. If problems persist, commission a short human review to resolve critical gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.